How to fix the Reddit login problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to fix Reddit login problem, you could start by checking the official Reddit status page. Open up your browser, type in Reddit down detector. Tap onto the first link that pops up. This is where you will be able to find whether there is a server issue or not. Similarly, what you can also do is next, verify your credentials. So whenever you're trying to log into your Reddit account, if you have entered a wrong credential, then usually this sort of issue appears. So you want to make sure to check your Gmail or your email address and then your verification code if you're prompted to enter or the passwords that you've entered. Double check all of that and that should definitely help you out. If nothing works out, close all the background running app and hold on to your side button and restart the device. That is also going to help you fix your Reddit login problem. If you've forgotten your password or if there is an issue with the password or credential, you could also reset it always by tapping on forgot password as well in the very home page. So this is how you're supposed to fix your Reddit login problem. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.